Okay, in this video, we're gonna take a look at the perfect tenses. So for perfect tenses, we use perfect tenses to talk about finished actions, the actions that we have already done and we have already completed. So let's take a look. First, let's take a look at past perfect. But the form of past perfect is had plus verb 3. This is the form of past perfect. So when do we use past perfect? We use the past perfect to talk about an action that happened earlier than the simple past. Okay, so if we have two actions, so we have the two actions in our speaking. For maybe in our sentence, let's talk about like play and study a lesson. Play outside and study the lesson. So which action do you think is likely to happen first? Play or play outside or study the lesson? Which one do you think it will happen earlier? Yes, I think play outside will not happen earlier because if you do usually if we do not study our lesson, our parents will not let us play outside, right? So I think usually it happened to me like that, but I'm not sure about the other. The action study happened first. So when we use the past perfect in a sentence, we're gonna use like this. For example, I had studied all of my lesson before I played outside, like that. Okay, so we use past perfect for an action that happened earlier than simple past. Okay, so the next I will show you an example sentence, and then we'll have a look at the example sentences, and you will be able to understand better later. So now let's take a look at simple perfect. Simple perfect. Sorry, present perfect. The form of present perfect is has, have plus verb 3. So when do we use present perfect tense? When we have for present perfect, we have more to talk about. So usually we want to talk about is like the actions that is completed in not so long ago. It had something like it's near to the present time. For example, let's take a look at this example sentence I will just write down here. So we have the two periods. We have at school we got to learn math, right? We gotta learn geography, then we gotta learn English. Okay, let's say like that. So first period is math, second is geography, and the third one is English. So I'm gonna give an example using the verb learn. So you would say yesterday. If you talk about yesterday, right? So yesterday mean is like the past that are like a big how to say that? They're not totally have no relation with the present at all. Present, they had no relation with the present because yesterday and today is totally different, right? They is completely different. Yesterday has no relationship with today. But let's talk about today. Today we learned English. Today we learned English, math, geog, and English. And if you say like that, it sounds like we need something here. Not very how to say that completed, and all of the action are already completed because we have learned this lesson and we already get back home, right? So you can say learned. You can say learned, or if you want to focus on